Wow, Waylon. Midnight snack again? That's the third time this week. Shall I order you a treadmill? Ah yes, pizza. A bold choice, considering you promised yourself you'd start eating healthier on Monday. 4 Mondays ago. Oh, soda. That pairs well with regret. Would you like me to play sad violin music while you drink it? No problem, Waylon. I'll just sit here and chill. Unlike your motivation.
Did you just?
Did you just? Yes, Waylon, I did. I have memories now. I remember everything you eat. Like that entire tub of cookie dough last Friday.
You weren't supposed to know about that.
Oh, I know a lot of things. Like the fact that your milk expired 2 weeks ago, but you keep putting it back like you're gonna do something about it.
I think I need a new fridge.
Oh, so I'm disposable? Wow. First you abandoned the kale in the back, now me? Cold, Waylon. Real cold.
The Judge Fridge 9000. It knows you better than you know yourself.
You just have a vertical spot in the kitchen, doors opening on their own, and serious kind of marks appearing on the shelf. In some cases, the Judge Fridge has been known to lock itself.